बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 8। बेटा मुझे उम्मीद आप लोग ठीक होंगे। बेटा आज के लेक्चर में हमारे पास है ऐसे कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। बेटा बहुत आसान है, आप इसको याद करके लिखेंगे। बेटा आएँ इसकी रीडिंग करते हैं। कायद-ए-आज़म इज़ आवर नेशनल लीडर। ही इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। He was born in Karachi on December 25, 1876. He received his early education in Karachi. He passed his matriculation examination from Bombay. He was sent to England for higher studies. He passed bar at law from London and returned home in 1896. He started practice in Bombay. Soon he won a name as a lawyer. He joined the Indian National Congress. He was the champion of Hindu-Muslim unity, but the attitude of the Hindus discouraged him. So he left the Congress and joined the Muslim League. He fought for the rights of the Muslims and was called the Qaid-e-Azam by them. The Muslims of India stood behind him. After a hard and long struggle, Pakistan came into being on August 14, 1947. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He worked day and night. He died on September 11, 1948. He was a true Muslim. He loved Pakistan. May his soul रेस्ट इन पीस, आमीन। बेटा इसको याद करेंगे और लिखेंगे ज़रूर। ये पायलट की बुक पर पेज 305 और 306 पर मौजूद है। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बेटा, इंशाल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, बेस्ट विशेस।